Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the biggest names in dropshipping, Zendrop and AutoDS. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or you're looking to scale, choosing the right platform can make or break your success. So today I'm going to break down what both of these platforms offer, from the features to the pricing, the pros and cons, and at the end I'll share my thoughts on which one is best in 2025. Let's start with Zendrop. It's a US-based dropshipping platform specifically built for entrepreneurs who want more control, speed, and branding over their online stores. Unlike platforms like AliExpress that rely on third-party sellers, Zendrop connects directly with vetted suppliers and manufacturers, especially in China and the US, to offer faster shipping, better quality control, and the ability to truly build a brand. How about AutoDS? Where Zendrop focuses mostly on Shopify-based branding and speed, AutoDS leans heavily into automation, scale, and multi-platform support. It's a full automation suite for online sellers that works with not just Shopify, but also eBay, WooCommerce, Facebook, Etsy, Wix, TikTok Shop, and Amazon. AutoDS allows you to manage hundreds, even thousands of SKUs from a centralized dashboard. Its automation engine handles price and stock syncing, automatic order placement, tracking numbers, product listings, and customer messaging. That means less time micromanaging your store and more time focusing on growth. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. Zendrop. Product sourcing. Over 1 million products with easy import tools and request-based sourcing for anything on AliExpress. US warehousing. You can store top-selling items in domestic warehouses for 2 to 5 day shipping. Order automation. Orders are automatically synced, processed, and tracking updated, all inside Shopify. Custom branding. You can add logos, thank you cards, and custom packaging to your products. Bundling and subscription boxes. You can sell multiple products in one package or build recurring monthly box businesses. And Zendrop Academy and Coaching. There are video lessons and weekly calls covering ads, scaling, fulfillment, and more. There's also a dedicated page on the website to a comprehensive beginner's guide to dropshipping. All you need to do is to fill out the form and download the guide. Now let us hurry on to AutoDS, the key features. Multi-platform support. As earlier mentioned, you can sell on Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, Facebook, Amazon, TikTok Shop, Wix, and more. Automatic order fulfillment. One-click automation for placing orders, uploading tracking numbers, and messaging customers. Product Research Hub. You can access winning product lists, import with one click, and monitor market trends. AI content tools. You can rewrite product descriptions, titles, and create templates using built-in AI tools. Inventory and price monitoring. There's real-time syncing with suppliers to avoid stockouts or pricing errors. And the bulk editing tools. You can manage hundreds of SKUs, adjust pricing, and change settings across stores at once. Now, what is the pricing like? Let us talk about the pricing. For Zendrop, there's the free plan, which gives you limited access to 1 million plus products. There's the Plus plan, which is the most popular at $79 per month, which gives you maximum chances of success and lots of access. And there's the Pro plan at $49 per month, which also gives you access to some of the features. Now, when you do a yearly subscription, you get it at a subsidized amount. How about the pricing for AutoDS? There are different pricing based on the integration that you will be using it for. If it's Shopify, for example, there's the Import 200 plan at $19.90 per month, a starter plan at $29.90 per month, the advanced plan at $49.90 per month. The pricing is quite different for Facebook, for Amazon, Wix, and lots more. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Zendrop and AutoDS. First, the pros for Zendrop. Fast US shipping is great for brand trust and repeat customers. White label packaging and custom branding. Integrated learning and support from real coaches, and excellence for Shopify first businesses focused on quality. And the pros for AutoDS? It works across many marketplaces. It's highly automated for large stores, and modular pricing and product research tools are available. The database is also extended from US, China, and across the European Union. How about the cons? For Zendrop, it only works with Shopify. The premium features lie behind paywall, and there's limited supplier network compared to the AutoDS. How about the cons of AutoDS? It's expensive. The steeper learning curve for beginners is a factor, and branding and packaging is not part of the service. So which platform comes out on top for 2025? Well, it honestly depends on your business goals. If you're focused on building a strong branded Shopify store, Zendrop is the clear winner. It gives you US-based warehousing, fast shipping, the ability to add packaging and personal touches, and hands-on coaching to help you grow. If customer experience and brand building are at the core of your strategy, then Zendrop has the edge. But if you're looking to scale fast across multiple marketplaces, AutoDS offers way more flexibility. So basically, I'd say they're built for different types of sellers. Zendrop for brand-focused shopping, AutoDS for high-volume multi-channel automation. And of course, pricing is another great factor to consider. And that's it on the comparison between Zendrop and AutoDS. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Sprockets, CJ Dropshipping, and Dropified. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.